morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Dahil dyan, nandito tayo ngayon sa bagong episode ng Kapartner Podcast. Palakpakan mga kapartner. Dahil dyan, meron tayong bagong kapartner na i-interviewin. Ang General Manager ng Real Estate Financing, si Miss Ven.
Hi! Hello there mga kapartner! Ayan, so hello mga kapartner. I am Ven Oliveros, the General Manager of Real Estate Financing Division.
At dahil dyan, Miss Ven,
Yes, of course.
confident ka ba today? Are you
Very
feeling confident? Mhm.
Very pretty, very confident,
And
very me.
demure.
Very demure.
Okay, sige, simulan muna natin siya sa,
Yeah.
alam mo ba?
Ano ba yan?
Ano natin gagawin?
What's the question?
Siyempre, wala kang idea.
Yes,
Gugulatin
Your
kita.
Honor.
Maglalaro tayo ng fast talk, mga kaibigan.
Oh my God!
Oo, mga 10 lang naman tong questions ko na to. Bilisan mo lang yung pagsagot. Then, camping or resort day?
Camping.
Oh? Talaga? Swimsuit or summer dress?
Summer dress.
City tour or island hopping?
Island hopping.
Solo trip or barkada getaway?
Barkada, get away!
Coffee or energy drink?
Coffee.
Wow. Driving or...
Driving!
Ay, wala pa nga
No
eh.
need to wait for the or.
Okay, sige na nga. Busy Monday or relax Friday?
Relax Friday.
Boss or mentor?
Mentor. All the way.
Favorite dessert?
Chocolate.
Okay.
Bakit?
Oh, condo
Oh.
or house and lot?
House and lot, of course.
Taray. O sige, yun lang.
Oh my God! Hindi ko akalain masasagot ko yan.
Hindi ko rin akalain masasagot mo talaga siya. Well, anyway, thank you very much. Ma'am Ben,
Yeah.
tapos na po.
Thank you everyone!
De, joke lang. Kidding aside, mga kapartner.
Mm.
Mga kapartner, si Ma'am Ben nga pala ang aming General Manager for Real Estate Financing. Kailan ka nga na-promote, Miss Ben?
I was promoted last year,
Mm-mm.
May 1, 2024.
Wow.
Yes.
Which is itong promotion mo na to ay malaking, what do you call this? Malaking move sa career mo. Tama?
Exactly.
Ayan.
And I really can't imagine na nangyari siya.
And paano ka na pa, what inspires you to pursue that career? From ano bang position mo before, bago ka mag...
Well, anyway, prior to General Manager of Real Estate Financing Division, I was a Career Development Officer. Yes.
Nang,
Under branch division.
and then what do you do there?
I'm just handling all the concerns, loan consultants, development, and all.
So talagang pagdating sa leadership, mentoring, ando
Yeah.
doon na
Mhm.
ang pinagkaibahan nito, you're leading a division.
Yes,
Which
exactly.
Ang bagong product ni Global Dominion ay
Correct.
ang...
Real Estate Financing Division.
Ayan, daling-dali. And ano ba yung mga challenges na sa tingin mong na-overcome mo nung in-accept mo yung... Kasi bagong
Yeah.
role to.
Mhm,
It's your,
exactly.
a big career move.
Mhm.
Na-overcome mo ba yung mga challenges? Or ano ba yung mga challenges muna?
Well, actually, kasi I believe in the saying that the moment that you feel the fear, that's exactly the right time to jump in.
Oh.
So, sobrang nakakatakot, sobrang feeling stress agad. In-offer pa lang siya, but then sabi ko, I think that this is the right timing talaga. So, grab lang ng grab.
Pero ano yung ginawa mo?
Mhm.
Di ba, ginrab mo siya? What did you do to overcome that fear?
I believe kasi na mas mag-grow ako eh. So, since ayun yung isa sa mga fear ko to handle a division, syempre, it's a big responsibility, diba? So, parang na-feel ko na it's the right time for me to grow pa even more. Kasi here at Global Dominion, ang daming learnings and may personal growth and then may career growth. And I'm very thankful and happy for all of the opportunities that they have given to me. And then I think this is the biggest opportunity that Global Dominion gave me. So, na-overcome ko lang yung takot ko. Actually, I'm not yet expert with this, but, self-study, tanong, always ask question pag hindi mo alam. Kasi, iba yung magmamarunong tayo eh. It's
Correct.
better to ask para malaman mo talaga. And then, it's about finding out kung tama ba yung natanong mo. And then, initiative na alamin kung ano ba dapat talagang gagawin natin.
Correct.
So, ganun yung ginawa ko. Doon ako nag-start. It all started with that.
asking questions.
Yes.
So, yun din yung parang trend eh. Di ba? Parang
Talaga ba?
actually trend siya ngayon na
Talaga ba?
how will you start a conversation is by asking a question.
I believe in that.
Kasi yun yung parang, sabi nga ni Ma'am Pat, mga past interviews niya.
Talaga ba?
Oo, talaga. Past interviews
I like
niya.
it. I like it.
If you want to connect sa, lalo na kung generation, no? Kunwari, baby boomers,
Correct.
Gen X, you have to ask questions. To those generations that are, that came before you,
Yes.
or yung mga bago.
Yeah.
Diba? Ayun. So,
Even yung mga nauna.
yun na nga.
Exactly.
Even yung mga nauna.
Correct.
So, during your career here in Global Dominion, meron ka bang mga struggles? Like, for example, bullying na na-experience? Or even kahit wala ka pa sa Global Dominion? Sabi, as I watch your previews.
Well, thank you for that.
Wow,
Thank you for
contents
watching. Wow.
Ni Ma'am Ben.
Vlogger na pala ako, no?
Vloggerist ka na.
Yeah.
Isa ka na sa mga influencers.
Yeah,
No?
I hope
Wala
so.
pang influencer si GDFI, siya na yung nangunguna. Ayan, sige ma'am.
Correct. So, what was the question?
Okay, the question is,
Joke lang.
do you happen to experience
I
it?
understand. But to be honest, no, here in Global Dominion, I didn't experience any bullying here.
Mm-hmm.
I really love the culture here at Global Dominion. That's why tumagal tayo. At actually, this year is my 5th year at Global Dominion. Yes.
Wow, congratulations!
Yeah. So, 5 years ko this year sa Global Dominion at hindi naman nangyari yun. So, kung pag-uusapan natin yung experience ko about bullying, that was way back. I really can't remember the year, pero nangyari siya nung mga panahon na yun. I believe they're just using their power to look down dun sa mga rank and file employee. So, I've been through a lot. Nung nandun ako, hindi ko ma-imagine na kung bakit may mga ganong tao na kayang gawin yun. But for me, I didn't let that negativity breaks me. Parang, siguro nga because of that, and I believe na mangyayari yun para maging strong ka and to be a better version of yourself. Kaya nangyari sa akin yun. That's only my opinion kung bakit nangyari sa akin yun before. And then I used that as a tool na wag siyang gawin sa iba. And then, mas i-improve yung treatment to others, especially dun sa mga co-employees ko. Kasi, to be honest, even right now, I do have the title. But for me, it's not just a title. For me, it's a responsibility to lift up all of my team at maramdaman nila na merong sunshine.
Yes.
Na merong taong mag-uplift sa kanila. Na merong taong mag-i-inspire sa kanila. Kasi right now, my purpose in life, I believe, I found out yung purpose ko in life is to inspire, motivate, and bring out the best in people. Because those are the things na hinahanap ko ng mga panahong kailangan ko yun.
Nice.
At wala akong, I am not saying na wala naman, kaya lang wala pa talaga at that time. But ngayon, punong-puno na ako ng punong-puno na ako ng, I mean, there's a lot of people around me na talagang who's loving and very caring and they're really helping me to improve myself even more.
Correct. And, diba, pabalik ko lang din. Kasi, nabanggit mo yung fear eh.
No.
Diba? May fear kang na-experience. So, malamang yung fear na yun, baka, meron bang impact yun sa confidence mo way back when you're bullied?
Yeah, actually kasi, I'm a person na takot akong makagawa ng something to anybody kasi I believe in karma eh. Yeah, I really believe in karma na hanggat maaari, gawin nyo na lang sa akin pero hindi ako gaganti kasi I'm afraid of karma. Ewan ko, ganun ako. I was born like that.
Kasi nga, diba, in every action, there's always a reaction.
Yes, exactly.
So that's karma.
So, i-stop ko na lang. Kung gagawin nyo sa akin to, hindi ako papatol para hindi humaba.
Tama.
Ganun siya.
Ayun, naka-apekto ba yung pagiging, yung experience mo ng bullying sa career mo back then?
Actually,
Na wala ba yung mga goals mo back then? Ano ba na naluto?
Uy, ang gandang question yan. Kasi dahil nga doon, instead na gamitin ko siya na maging mas lalo akong ma-down, hindi nga eh. Mas ginamit ko siya para mas lalo akong ma-inspire at mag-excel. Na gusto kong patunayan sa kanila, yung binubully nila at work is someday makikita nyo na nag-level up na.
Paano yan?
Because
Start ka
I
ng
will never
Paano mo
give
ginawa?
up.
Paano mo ginawa?
Ano ko ginawa?
Oo.
Yung can I say that it's all about the numbers kasi before?
Go ahead.
Basta it's all about numbers. And then, number is number one my fear.
Numbers is your number one fear.
Yeah, number one fear. It's all about numbers. Ang pinakang fear ko sa lahat.
Napunta ka pa dito, puro numbers.
Yeah, exactly. Kaya nga sabi ko, napaka-weird. Pero ganun talaga, it's meant to be, diba?
Yeah.
Things happen for a reason.
Yep.
So yung time na yon, nangyari yon kasi nga, takot ako sa numbers. Madali akong malito. Madali akong ma-out of focus na parang nagsasayo lahat ng numbers sa harapan ko. And then, syempre, there are people around me that they're expert now with that by that time. Kasi nga, sanay na sila nagagawa online everyday. Pero ako hindi pa. So parang, imagine that they're talking behind me. As in, literally, nasa likod ko lang sila laughing at me, making funny things about me.
Ano yung mga yun?
Sabi talaga sa akin, mabuti na lang, hindi tayo maganda. Siya maganda lang.
Ay,
Pero at least
ganon?
maganda ako. I was so happy na,
Nagamit mo ako.
yeah,
Advantage.
yung time na yon may binanggit silang, maganda lang siya. Siyempre, by that time, batang-bata pa ako.
Tama.
Fresh pa ako. Wala pang wrinkles. So, sobrang smooth pa ng skin ko that time. And then, ang fresh ng look. So, yun talagang laging ginagamit nila sa akin. Even nasa elevators na kami, nakaupo na kami sa cubicle namin, and even the higher level namin. Talagang binubuli ako.
Okay. So, nung binubuli ka, did you seek any support from your friends? Kasi nasa office ka na eh. Kasi araw-araw ka nandoon. You parang wala kang safe space.
Yeah.
Oo.
Correct.
So, nangingi ka ba ng tulong sa mga friends mo or
Alam
sa
mo,
mga family, even your family?
Hindi.
Anong ginawa mo?
Siguro because I grow up na very strong yung pagpapalaki sa akin ng daddy ko. And to the point na ayoko silang ma-stress because of me not handling those small things. Pero alam mo, nakakatuwa. Nung nandito na ako at Global Dominion, always kaming dumadaan dyan sa may strata yata yun. Yeah. And then, may McDo dyan, diba?
Yeah.
That space, pagka lunchtime na, dyan ako laging umiiyak mag-isa. Yeah, literally, I was crying and I was saying to myself na, bakit nila ako ginaganito? Wala naman ako ginagawang masama. Yeah.
Malamarisal ka dyan.
Sobrang feeling ko talaga bata pa lang ako pang artista na talaga yung level ko.
Yung iyak mo nun.
Yung iyak ko nung time na yon. Grabe.
So, parang vinent out mo lang siya during that time na, okay, it will, matatapos din to.
Correct.
Matatapos din to.
This too shall pass.
Yes. Saan yun?
Dyan lang.
Sa movie yun?
Yeah, this too shall pass. Yun talaga lagi kong iniisip. Hindi ako umiyak sa hirap ng work, but umiyak ako dun sa mga taong nag-look down on me.
Okay, ano naman yung, di ba, na-experience mo na siya and then na-overcome mo naman. Sa mga tao na kaka-experience ng bullying, anong advice mo sa kanila?
Okay. Ganito lang yun, no? So,
lalo na sa workspace.
Yeah, correct.
Workplace, sorry. Workplace.
Ayan. So, for those people who have been experiencing bullying, isa lang masasabi ko, do not let negativity breaks you. Do not let others' opinion affect you. So, better na pag nabully na kayo or meron na silang words na ginamit to trigger you, hinga kayo, totoong nagagamit to, huminga kayo ng 3 beses, sobrang lalim na hinga. At isipin nyo, is my reaction will stop this action. So, isipin nyo na dapat yung sasabihin nyo sa kanila is hindi na sila to rumibat pa. Parang ganon. So, and also, better, wag nyong pansinin. Mapapagod din silang gawin yun sa inyo. So, always believe in yourself and it's not you. It's them.
Hindi ako yon problema. Baka kayo.
Baka
Tignan nyo
kayo.
na lang yung sarili nyo.
Exactly.
Tama.
Diba? Basta always remember that we are all beautiful and unique in so many different ways.
Nice. Baka siguro yan din yung pinaghuhugutan mo.
Correct.
No? Na ngayon, ikaw ay nagli-lead ng isang division.
Yeah.
Tama, di ba? Kasi, ang sabi mo, sunshine. You're a ball of sunshine. Di ba? So, you don't want any negativity na mag-surround dun sa division mo.
Correct. Although, there's no such thing as perfect. And ayoko rin naman ng positivity, toxicity, di ba? Ayoko rin
Oo,
naman nun.
tama,
So,
tama.
balance lang talaga.
Correct.
So, parang yin-yang lang. We need to balance everything.
Yin-yang lang yun.
Mm.
Okay. Papunta tayo
Check
sa
and balance.
check and balance. Uy, accounting. Numbers din yun.
Diba? Hindi mo kinaya yun.
But anyway, move tayo sa product mo. Ano ba ang real estate financing ka-partner? Explain mo
Ayan.
naman
So, para
kanila.
sa mga ka-partner natin out there, real estate financing is a product where you can purchase your dream property. It can be lot, house and lot, or condominium. Ayan. So, ibig sabihin nun, ka-partner, lahat ng mga ka-partner natin dyan na mayroong pinapangarap na property, pwede po nating i-finance kay Global Dominion.
Yun yun.
Yes.
Doon papasok si Global Dominion na kapartner mo na
pag-angat.
kapartner mo sa pag-angat at kapartner mo na makamit ang iyong dream house and lot, dream condo.
Of course, dahil dyan ka-partner.
Kapartner,
Finance your dream into reality.
Realty.
Diba?
Sorry.
Hindi
At
mo
dahil
kinaya yun.
hindi ko talaga kinaya yun.
Yes.
Okay, mabalik tayo dun sa leadership.
Go.
Okay. Ano ang leadership sa'yo?
Okay. Nice question. For me, leadership is inspiring people and motivating them and bring out the best in them.
Parang kanta yun ka, partner.
No, I don't know. Hindi ko alam.
Ako na lang din.
Basta for me, leadership is bringing out the best in people that they can't imagine or they didn't imagine na magagawa nila isang bagay. Pushing them to
their limits.
Yes, pushing them to their limits and, challenging them.
Kasi nga, nagkaroon ka nga ng challenge na in-accept to. No? And hindi ka talaga bumitaw. Bumitaw, kinapitan mo, Ma'am Ven. Tama.
Exactly.
Ano naman ang masasabi mo sa past self mo?
Parang naiyak ako bigla.
Oo. Sa past self mo, nung na-experience mo yung bullying na yan.
I'm so proud of you, self. I'm so proud of you, self. Yeah.
Yun lang.
Super. Doon na.
Lang. Yun
Baka
lang.
biglang maging maalaala mo kaya ito.
Actually, doon nga kita, umiyak ka na, awa na lang. Charot.
Hindi kaya. Yun, basta I'm so proud of you, self. Super duper proud of you.
But anyway, Ma'am Ven, maraming salamat.
Talaga. Ang saya. Parang 1 minute lang. Ang saya.
Maraming salamat. But before we end this
Alright.
podcast, taas ng energy, podcast, ano ang hashtag, pwede pala story mo na pwede mong i-share sa ating mga kapartner?
So, for me, keep on dreaming. Don't give up, just level up. Always believe in yourself. At marami ang pwedeng mangyari sa atin. Basta naniniwala ka sa sarili mo, believe in yourself, that you can do everything as long as you are willing to take the challenge.
Yes,
Ayan.
kasi nga tinake mo yung challenge to be a leader.
Yeah, ang pwede pala na dreams do come true. Kasi before, it's all my dreams lang dream lang. Pangarap ko lang siya. And then, it's really happening to me right now. So, keep on dreaming.
Keep on dreaming, keep on shining.
Yeah. Parang kanta yan, keep shining.
Copyright na lang talaga tayo.
Yeah.
At dahil dyan, maraming salamat, Miss Ben. Palakpakan mo mga kapartner. Oy! Ang bilis ng interview natin na to. At ikaw rin talaga ang nag-uuna. Ikaw talaga ang #1 influencer. At dahil dyan, maraming salamat mga kapartner for viewing talaga. Viewing or listening.
For listening,
Kung narinig kayo sa Kapartner Podcast sa Spotify and YouTube. Yan. Maraming salamat mga kapartner. Till next time. Thank you. Ako pala si Quincy Lopez, ang hashtag kapartner mo sa pag-angat. And this is Kapartner Podcast. Bye-bye!
Bye! Thank you!